This great looking watch on my wrist is the AB Art Touch X, and it has been announced at Basel World 2018, the International Watch Show, and we really like this stylish new hybrid watch. It works in a slightly unusual way, certainly more so than most of the hybrids that we see, which are all button controlled. What AB Art has done is go for gestures. And it's an interesting approach to controlling a hybrid watch, certainly without a touchscreen and no buttons aside from the crown on the side. So what do we mean with gestures? Say, for example, you want to place a phone call to either a stored contact in your app or the last contact that you phoned. It's a swipe to activate the app, and you get a vibration to confirm that, and then another swipe again, which then calls the last person that was either in your contacts or your emergency contact. It works for other gestures too. Say, for example, you want to use a send your location feature. Maybe you want to send your location to a friend, or in the situation of emergency, you want to do that. Again, it's a swipe to open the app on your phone and a circle in the middle to send your location to a contact. Again, unusual, but you're not going to do this by accident, and we think that's quite a good way of interacting with your watch. The vibration alerts felt on my wrist there were accurate and also very noticeable, but not uncomfortable. So the screen here, this is sapphire crystal and PVD coated stainless steel for the body. So this is a proper watch. It's not mineral glass, it's not something plasticky for the body. It's a properly designed, very stylish watch. AB Art have been making watches since the early 90s. They have a full range of Swiss watches, they have other connected watches, but this happens to be their latest. And judging by the style and the fit and the build quality, you can tell it's somebody who's made watches for some time. So let's have a quick look at the app. So we'll put the watch down, and you can see on this test phone here, the app is fairly basic. There's one unusual decision. It doesn't continually track your steps. You actually have to tell the watch with another gesture to start tracking. So it's designed for running, only specifically tracking a run, not tracking all the steps all day. You can leave it running, but that's going to affect battery life. Battery life on the watch is about 10 months, so we're told, and it's obviously easy replaceable underneath. There's no charging involved. The app itself is fairly simple, but nicely designed, and certainly in our tests here, where we've been demonstrated the watch and had to go ourselves, there's no issues with connectivity, and it reacts to everything that you'd expect. There's also a few other regular features that we'd expect from a smartwatch. An alert to get up and moving, and also a call reminder, and you can activate a Find Your Phone on the device itself. So we'll put that away and go back to the watch. What you can also probably see is varying different styles. It's not just this face and strap design that there is, there are also many others. And a particular favourite of ours is this one here with the black NATO strap and this detailed face. Really nice. So the price of the AB Art Touch X, this is 280 euros, up to about 300 euros depending on the strap and colour combination that you choose. They are available internationally, so you can order them through AB Art's website, and the dollar price is probably around the same cost in euros. And we really rather like this. It's another example of a watchmaker embracing the connected watch.